Today, to start our assembly, we have some really exciting news. I am proud to announce that one of our own has been selected as the Oregon Regional Teacher of the Year. This teacher was one of 18 selected in the state of Oregon and is eligible for Oregon Teacher of the Year. This teacher strives to meet students where they're at and finds a way to help them take the next step. This teacher lets everyone know she cares as she guides each student to be the best version of themselves. And that's what we ask of all our teachers, to make sure if your child went here at JCMS, would you want this to be the school they would go to? And my answer to that is yes. So on behalf of JCMS, Jefferson County School District, and the Oregon Lottery, we are pleased to share that Christa Rohrbach is the Regional Teacher of the Year for this year.
Creating this atmosphere that everybody will stay and welcome.
There are thousands of schools in Oregon. You know that? And there's only 18 that have a Regional Teacher of the Year being honored this week. This is one of those 18 schools out of the thousands. That is a huge deal. So I think we need to cheer for Ms. Rohrbach more than we already have.